Today we're going to share a little bit more with you about hydroponics, and hydroponics is basically the soilless method to growing plants. So today we're going to show you some of the common materials used. So over here you'll be able to see a white material. It's almost like sponge-like. This is often known as hydroponic sponge or hydroponic foam. This is the most commonly used in hydroponic farms around the world, especially in Asia. And one of the reasons because it's actually the lowest cost in terms of production. Now over here, the second one, you will see something that looks a bit more yellowish brown and is placed in a plastic. Now this is often known as rock wool, and good quality rock wool is actually quite expensive. For rock wool, what is important is that don't touch it with your bare hands because it's made of microfibers, and people with sensitive skin, you might develop some form of allergy if you touch it. So always wear gloves when you touch rock wool. Here I'm not wearing gloves because it's placed in a plastic. And then over here we have a tray of seeds that we just germinated a few days ago, and we are excited to show you some progression. We have different type of seedlings in this tray, and in the first and the second row we actually have arugula. In the third to the fifth row we actually have lettuce, and the last row we have different types of tomatoes. This is a close-up of the arugula seedling, just germinated today, but we started a few days ago. And then you have your tomatoes seeds that just germinated.